Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I got a request from someone saying that you've seen a lot of things going on and you wanted to have kind of a highlight of what exactly to expect in the next couple of years on the Windows operating systems. What is happening with Windows 10, what's going to happen with Windows 11, and what's happening if there's something else like Windows 12. And what are the time frames? What do we know of when such and such a system might appear? So, of course, Windows 10 is still an operating system that is dominant. A lot of people are using it. It is more than 70% of PCs, and it's expected to stay like that for a while, a very dominant system. So, the time frame, what's happening with actually Windows 10 for the future isn't changed. What we know as of now is that Windows 10 will have end of support for the consumer business, for regular folks like you and me, in October of 2025. So we got more than 2 years left, almost 3. So nothing to worry right now if you're on Windows 10. If you got a PC that's on Windows 10. Unsupported for Windows 11 and so on, it's all right. And that's pretty much the frame there. As we know, we'll have probably a very small update called 23H2 later this year that will just bump up the update number. We're not expecting any new features or very little new features. We're on the mainstream of an end of an operating system. It works. It does what it wants, what people want it to do, and it's fine. Next on the step is Windows 11. So Windows 11 is now at 22H2. Windows 11 has been getting what we call moments, and these are what is going to happen in the future. For this year, we're supposed to have at least 2-3 more moments. We had Moment 2 just arrived now. Moment 3 apparently in May or June. And Moment 4 somewhere around September, October. I don't know if there will be time for anything else before the end of the year. But that's the Windows 11 system. What we know is that by the end of this year, there will be an update that will bring us to version 23H2. That will be the next update. It will actually coincide with a moment. Next year, Windows 11 expected to continue with moments, more moments, and that is going to, of course, be the Windows 11 operating system for next year and for a few years to come, but it might actually become mainstream. Now, I'm going to talk about that in the second video because somebody asked me for specific questions on Windows 11, and we're going to go there. But next year, 2024, as Windows 11 will still get probably some moments and new features, we're going to get a new operating system. Now we know that second half of 2024, Windows 12, or whatever it's going to be called, because we call it Windows 12, but we don't know if it's going to be called 12. But we definitely know that there is a new Windows operating system coming next year, and that will be Windows 12. So it's on the second half of 2024. That we know. As for after that, well, you know what? Nothing stops Microsoft from having Windows 13 or whatever, Windows 14 and so on as the years go by. But next we're going to talk to a very specific set of questions by 2 different viewers and about Windows 11. And that's going to be another interesting take on these questions of what's happening with Windows 11 now and later. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.